In a charming village square, bathed in warm sunlight, cobblestone streets twist through colorful houses adorned with blooming flower boxes. Villagers bustle about, chatting by market stalls stacked with fresh fruits and vegetables. John Smith walks steadily beside a gentle gray donkey, its nose marked by a white snip, carrying heavy saddlebags filled with goods. His young son, Tommy, sits happily atop the donkey, eyes wide with wonder as he holds its mane. The donkey moves calmly through the lively square, ears perked as it carries its load. Nearby, villagers chat and laugh. A woman with a basket of bread glances curiously at the pair, and a child with a bright balloon points excitedly at the donkey. From Tommy's view, the busy village stretches ahead, alive with movement and color. He turns to admire the vibrant flowers spilling from a nearby window box. John walks beside them, a steady presence as they weave through the crowd. The donkey's expressive brown eyes look ahead, calm and patient. Together, father, son, and donkey continue their journey through the bustling village.